Okay, people. Another book review. Forgot to say I was gonna stop that, but anyway, I had a book from one of the colleges I went to about auto mechanics and from the military, but I can't seem to find that right now. Probably had to buy more. And no, people, stop saying that every 6 years things update. It doesn't change. Still the basics. Basics are basics take priority over almost everything. You want to do math? Know what's 2 plus 2. Remember, 2 plus 2 is fish. Don't forget that. You want to learn how to write? Don't forget. You must learn how to move your body before you write. You want to learn how to breathe? You must be alive. Basic of the basics, people. Basic big advanced any day. I don't know why people taking stuff out of everything. Next day they might have survival school where in order to survive in wood, you must, was it lick this tree and you survive for the next 300 years. Well, if that tree is not there, you won't survive. That, well, anyway, basically everything. Let's go to something more advanced anyway. This go. Auto Repair for Dummies, written by Dana Scaler. I remember one of the cars that I worked on before. I took that exhaust system and I put like military stuff. Don't worry about it. It wasn't a car you drive. It was just a car that stood there. I took out the exhaust system, put my own exhaust system. It had like a huge 4 inch diameter on it, plus 4 inch diameter. You can't drive down the road. You can't drive right. You can't drive down the road because it's legal to have something that big and that's much. But it was just something to play around. Took out the exhaust system, added my own engine that I made. That's right, people. I made an engine. Fun stuff. Not that much to deal with, people. This book will teach you the basic or the routine stuff review. I took the ISBN on it. I give it an 8 out of 10 star because it's actually useful. Heck, you don't have to be a genius to enter to freaking dissect this book or to understand it. Don't forget me started engineering. They make 6 years or 4 years engineering way more difficult than what it is. Way more difficult. I ain't even gonna tell you how to fix it because I don't want competition. That's right. Anyway, it's not that difficult, people. Remember why I said look, see, hear, touch, and taste. That's right. Lick your car. You can understand everything about it. Just lick it. That battery acid, lick it. You might learn from your mistake. Who knows? 8 out of 10 star for the book. Mm. For me, car wise, I can build a car more than I can fix another person's car. For now, I'm a bit rusty in my car language rides. Gotta refresh my driving skills over. Remember, people, I can drive. If you get in front of me, I might run you off the road. When I say get in front of me, I mean like pull in front of me like 2 seconds, like without any tail signal, without any freaking like left light turn saying we hit that freaking switch in front of you. Just pull it in front of me. It's a red light. You don't do that on the red light, but you did it anyway. That's right, people. You expect me to stop? Mm. Depends on the situation. That's a joke. Hey, there's one that I don't joke on, like when you pull in front of me and you start slowing down, like slowing down. I see you in your rear view. I can see you through your car window. You're looking back. Don't think your window's tinted. I can see you, but I got great eyesight. Running glasses. I got great eyesight. I can see you. You look at me and laugh, and you pull in front of me. You start slowing down. I'm gonna speed up and ram your car. That's right. I got a dash cam, people. They might also got a freaking speed thing that tells the person speed in front of me. If your speed goes from 88 miles to 60 miles while I'm doing 80 on the front, don't blame me for your stupidities. I don't want to hear all my cars shut down. Yeah, I'm not believing that crap. Because usually when your engine stop or your drums or your brakes stop or when you start sliding skid, your car make a motion or make a sound. I don't listen to music when I'm driving. I seen that movie Pulse. Hate that. I don't be if I do be on my phone, it's gonna be like that free wireless headset bullcrap phone. I don't need to have it up to my ear. No, talk and drive. Get on the phone and drive at the same time. Very smart people. Anyway, I'm not gonna have that crowd going on. I don't listen to music so I can hear very well. If I can see your exhaust and the smoke, like some the like the serious smoke change all of a suddenly, I'm gonna know something's up. Now, if you just like let go of the gas and start jacking the brake while I'm driving, I'm just gonna run you off the road. I'm gonna look at you like, yeah, police, huh? Smart. That's just me. Don't do it, people. I don't condone anything illegal. I don't condone anything illegal, but in that situation, it's very illegal. I didn't know you slow down. Well, I did, but I was moving at speed too fast that I can't turn without losing control of my car. Or if I brake, the person behind me is gonna get messed up. Heck, may no one behind me. I might have four other people in my cars, but it's my life. It's all lives are yours. Yours are the one about to get done. That's right, people. Police will pull in front of you, slow down just to see how you react. Police will get in front of you without signaling and see how you react. People will freaking tailgate you and see how you react. Don't do that to me. I'm gonna laugh. Surprise, I'm not the one. Dash cam. Don't care. Remember, people, if someone is doing something illegal, they already lost their rights of you doing anything illegal to them, like point a gun at you or something. You already telling me that you want me to take your head off your shoulders. That's right, people. I said take your head off your. Don't point a gun at me, especially you not shooting. Just like me walking down the street and someone say, let's say a cop example, like get on your knees, you're under arrest. I'm like, I know I haven't done anything. I know because I don't. Well, I don't believe in breaking the law. Period. Even though I hate this mug, I hate this planet, hate this country, hate every other country out there. I still it depends on the situation. But I know if I did, you would not catch me. Period. But so I know I'm like I haven't broken anything. You tell me to get on the ground. Hmm. Okay. We're not even getting sophisticated of the law stuff that when they can do that based on suspicions or not. They can or can't do that based on suspicions or not. Bunch of stuff, people. So be prepared. Always like driving a car and you see someone beside you with your window walls down. Like this haven't happened to me. It's had happened to me in the past, but it haven't happened to me recently. After we were me and someone else driving, but I've seen this happen. Seen it happen, heard it happen to other people. Like two people driving side by side. One person rode their window down. They give you that look. You win a race. If you race that person, you are done. Especially in this sport car, you're gonna lose first place, but you're gonna lose. Not just that. Especially if you're in front of me and you're doing that crap, you can take yourself to a racetrack. Get out the way. Don't race in front of me. If one of you spin out the controller and my car get hit, somebody's gonna pay for it. Don't worry, people. Like God said, the sin of the parent is not the sin of the child. For me, unless that child will become like you, then we're gonna have a long day talk. That's right, people. See that grinder? Have fun. That's a joke. Don't worry about it. Anyway, we can actually give an example up here. I'm in a taxi car going to the gym. These idiots are racing on the road. Police didn't do nothing to them. Literally nothing. Just sit on there. I didn't even see the speedometer and through the window. Don't think you're innocent. I can see you. I can see you. Because I have my own speedometer that tells me the stuff. Anyway, these two people are racing on the road. Police didn't do nothing. Literally sitting right in that lane where you go into the parking lot. Right there. Come on, people. Don't do that in front of me. I mean, if you're going to do that, just make sure I'm not around. That's right. When you drive in your car, just make sure it's dark side around. We don't want to accept this guy. You don't. If you do that in front of me and I get in a wreck, even if I don't get it, someone else get in a wreck and affects me, we're gonna have a long day of talk. We don't even get started on stuff like you don't see a police car, but you're sitting somewhere where it shouldn't be seen. It's just sitting right there, and its windows are tinted, it's tinted, and it's not a police car, but it's a police. Anyway, that's a lot of stuff. Have fun, people. Another book, car review. A 8 out of 10 star based on it because it's actually useful. We're not even getting my car mechanical engineering books based on the piston and car becoming to get heated by the spark of the battery, blah blah blah. That presses like 260 psi based on that piston, and as it goes, we increase and then deep. It's just a bunch of stuff. Anyway, have fun.